Hello guys, so today I will be showing you how to properly configure your email in CyberPanel so that you can send and receive emails from your CyberPanel. So this process involves um, installing CyberPanel, configuring MX and text records, and creating email, as well as configuring its settings and test the email. So we will be using Contabo VPS because its port 25 is not blocked. So some VPS like DigitalOcean, Linode, and Bolter have closed 25 port, which is the port we will be using to send emails. So we will be using Contabo because its port 25 is open. So okay, let's start. So this is the complete process. So first we will install Ubuntu 22.04 LTS on Contabo. I have actually used Ubuntu 20.04 and it works fine with email. So Contabo, because it doesn't block port 25. So number two, we'll create a website in CyberPanel. Next, we will configure MX and text records on Cloudflare. So we will be using Cloudflare later on, and add the name servers on your domain register. Next, we'll configure email settings, and finally we'll create and test email. So to start with, let's reinstall our OS. So in your Contabo control panel, just go to VPS control and click reinstall. So let's choose this Ubuntu version. So just generate password. Let's see. Okay, just copy this one and click install. So just click install. Just click OK. So don't save. Let's wait for the OS to completely install. So now let's log into our server via SSH. But first, let me show you the step-by-step process on how to install CyberPanel on Contabo VPS. Let's go to this website. So this is step-by-step guide on how you will install CyberPanel on Contabo VPS. So let's log into our server via SSH. So be sure to log in as root. So now we will update first the packages. So let's just copy here and paste it here. Click enter. Okay, it's done. So now we will install CyberPanel. This is the installation script. I will put this on the description box below. So just copy and paste and click enter. So let's install CyberPanel. So choose number 1. So let's use Open Light Speed. We will not use Lightspeed Enterprise because it is paid, of course. It has actually have a starter license which limits up to 2 GB of RAM only. So full, let's choose Y. So no, let's install the latest version. So just click enter. So I will choose random password R. I'll install Memcached and Redis, of course, and Watchdog. So this will actually install the CyberPanel. Let's wait until it's done. It will take 10 minutes to install CyberPanel. So as you see, it's actually fast in Contabo. So okay, the installation of CyberPanel is finished. So be sure to copy this password because we will use this when accessing CyberPanel. So for this, let's restart our server. Oops, just one. Okay. So next, we will access our CyberPanel through this IP address. So just click Advanced, click Accept the risk and continue. So now we are here. Let's log in. So use admin, the password we have copied earlier from the command line, and click sign in. Now we are here on our CyberPanel dashboard. Next, we will create a website first. So navigate to websites, click create website. So select package here. This is the default owner. This is a paid service, so we'll just toggle this up, and we will enter our domain name. So this is my domain name. For the email, I'll just put a sample. So I will be choosing PHP 8.0. So next, I will just click SSL, DKIM support, and open base directory protection, and click create website. Now we have finally created a website. It's time to point this website to our domain. So let's go first to Cloudflare. So login. So just add a site, input our domain name, and click add site. Next, we will click free. So this is free. and click continue. Okay, we will remove this annex and text record first. Just delete this. I will leave this as is. Let's go back to our CyberPanel and go to DNS. Click add delete records. So choose your website. First, we will add this on our Cloudflare. We'll create an array record. So this is an array record already. It has already been added. 6.3 and W. So let's add the CNAME. Oh, let's skip CNAME. Let's put this on. This will be an MX record. So let's choose MX. Copy and paste. We'll put this at 10. So just click save. And next we will add text. We'll add these 4 text records. Click add record. Go for text. Just copy and paste it here. Next, this one. Add a text record. This one. Just copy and paste. Oops. That's a text records. Click save. Paste it. Oops. Another text record here. So not all registers can accept these quotation marks. If you have problems, just remove this quotation marks. So I have no problem with Cloudflare with this quotation marks. So just click save. Okay. Next we will add a mail. First, so let's add mail. That will be that an A record. So that will be add mail. So just click save. Oops. Sorry, this is mail, not at. And we'll enter our IP address is 86. Click save, and we'll add a www again. www.mail. Input our IP address. Click save. Okay, now it's done. Let's go back to our CyberPanel. Next, we will use a domain name to access CyberPanel. Instead of this IP address, we will use our domain name. So let's go back to our Cloudflare. Let's just refresh this. Okay, now it is in order. Let's go to our domain register, which is Namecheap. Let me log in first. Okay, now I'm on my domain register. I'm going to click manage here. Since I'm using basic DNS, I'll be using custom DNS. So let's just click here, continue. This is the custom DNS. We will be using this. Just copy and paste it here on Namecheap and click the check mark here to save. Meanwhile, let's go back to Cloudflare and click done, check name servers. We'll just finish it later. Okay, now it's done. This one's done. Let's go to records and let's go back to our CyberPanel. Now, so let's go back to SSL. Click hostname SSL. Let's issue an SSL for this hostname. Just click issue SSL. So this is different from the SSL we've used on our website. This is an SSL to use for accessing our CyberPanel. Okay, great. Let's access our website. Okay, great. So let's log in. Oops. Now we are using our domain, and it is actually using an SSL. Okay, great. First, we'll create an email for this. So just go to email, or you can use this. They're the same. So just create mail. Choose this for some. For this tutorial, I will just using a short username behind at next to see. So password is, if you want to generate password for secure for more secure password, just click it here. So after that one, just click create email. Okay, it's done. Next, we'll go back to SSL again and click MailServer SSL. Click our domain and click issue SSL. Okay, now it's done. Let's go to our email. Let's access our webmail. So just go to email and click access. Okay, let's access our email. So let's log in. Okay, now we are on our webmail. So let me show you something. On your Contabo dashboard, be sure to have your reverse DNS pointed to your IP address. This is IP version 4 and this is IP version 6. So you should add your domain for the both of IPv4 and IPv6 so that it will not mark spam. So next we will send an email to Gmail. So just click new message, and let's send connections gmail.com. So I will use a template here. So this one, just copy and paste it here, put the subject here, and click send. Okay, great. So let's go to our Gmail. Okay, great. We have here, okay, we have received the message from our CyberPanel. So we have successfully configured our email in CyberPanel to send a message in Gmail. So let's test if we can send from Gmail to our CyberPanel email. So just a short one, and just click send. Okay, it's sent. So let's go back to our CyberPanel webmail. So just click refresh. Okay, that is great. We have successfully received an email from Gmail. And let's go to mail tester to check if how good our email is. Okay, let's use this. Let's send an email to this address. Just copy here, and let's create a new message. So at the same message, click send, and let's check our score. Okay, this is good. We have 8 here. Okay, let's see why this is -2. Okay, this is just since I am using for this tutorial the Subdomain. This could be one of the reasons. So if you have a .com, it's great. It could be higher, or 9 or 10 or 10 over 10. And here, okay, our just it's just short. So this is good. Okay, I hope you learned something in this tutorial. So if you have successfully configured your email in CyberPanel, please let me know. Or if you have some questions, roadblocks, you may comment them down below, and I'll answer them as much as I can. So also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.